Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel for another unboxing and review. Today it's Black Widow, the special edition from the Black Widow movie. It's the black costume, the white costume hasn't been released yet. So first, as usual, let's talk about the box. This is the same box design as Taskmaster, which means you have the window box that allows you to see the promotional picture of Black Widow from the actual box of the figure. And I really love that this window box is the actual symbol of Black Widow. That's really cool. You also have the name of the movie and the name of the character. Since it's the special edition, you have the sticker. If you order your figure from the Asian market, you'll have the special edition Hot Toys sticker, and if you get your figure from Sideshow Collectibles, you'll have the Sideshow exclusive sticker. On each side of the box, you have the Black Widow symbol. At the back, you have the usual product information, and then when you remove the first part of the box, you have the full promotional picture of Black Widow. And at the back you have a promotional picture of a figure. There you can open this part of the box and see the figure. So let's open this and take a look at the accessories. This figure comes with a pretty good number of accessories, and since it's the special edition, she also has Taskmaster's shield. This is the exact same shield that came with the Taskmaster figure, which means it also works with a magnet, so that's cool. The display base features the Black Widow symbol in red, the name of the movie, and the name of the character. It's a simple base. Then she has 10 hands. It gives you a lot of possibilities for display. There are 2 fist hands, two hands to hold the buttons, two hands to hold the pistols, 2 semi-open hands, and 2 different open hands. There are 3 pistols, 2 that can fit in the holsters. It's the usual guns that she has. The third one is different and has additional accessories on it. You can move the barrel of its gun like this. And you can also remove the ammunition parts. That's a nice realistic feature. She also has her 2 buttons. They're different from Avengers Endgame. They require more details and a different use of colors. Plus, she has another set of buttons which are articulated. That's pretty cool. You can change the tip of each button. You have this tip, the hook type, or the normal tip, like this. So that's different possibilities, which is cool. Finally, you have 2 baton handles that you can attach to the back of a figure. That's all for the accessories, so now let's take a look at the figure. This may honestly be my favorite outfit of the character. It doesn't feel as simple as some of her previous outfits. There are different textures used there, so it's also more detailed. Plus, I love the use of gold for the gun bracelets and the belt with our symbol painted in red in the middle. Hot Toys has done an amazing job recreating this outfit. It uses different types of fabric. Because of that, it also means you have to be careful with posing. I wouldn't recommend leaving your figure in the same action pose for a long period of time. The baton carrier at the back, the shoulder pads, the belts, the gun bracelets, and the boots are made of plastic. That's basically the usual for these parts. They have improved the boot compared to the endgame release. Indeed, it's two separate pieces of plastic, which means it gives you feet articulation. That's better for action poses. The baton carrier has some red lines. Even if it's at the back, I think it looks really cool. The headsculpt seems to be the same as the one from Avengers Endgame. Yearly choice headsculpts are always fantastic, and this one is no exception. It really looks like Scarlett Johansson, it's just spot on. As usual with Hot Toys, it's all about the details. You can see all the earrings there, and the braids are perfectly sculpted. For me, sculpted hair is the best. About the articulation, you can move the head on each side. You can't have her look up because of the long hair, but you can have her look down. As for the rest of the body, you can move the arms like this, like this, like this. You can move the hands. You can move the torso. You can also move the legs like this. Like this. You can move the feet as well. So now let's see some poses. This is an amazing figure and definitely my favorite one of Black Widow. She has a great costume and she comes with a pretty good number of accessories. If you are thinking of only getting one figure of this character, go for this one. Thanks again for watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye!